Hey, welcome to the Wedding Playbook app. If you're a wedding vendor, you already know how important it is to stand out, stay organized, and create a professional experience from the very first interaction with the couple. That's exactly what this app is built to help you do. The Wedding Playbook app gives you a branded planning tool you can share with your leads and clients, complete with your logo, your colors, checklists, reminders, push notifications, and team collaboration tools. So instead of just telling couples you're organized and professional, you're actually giving them a planning experience that keeps you top of mind throughout their wedding journey. It helps your couple stay on track, helps your team stay connected, and helps you create more value before, during, and after the booking process. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can use it to make a stronger impression with every couple you meet.
Well, hello and welcome to the app. My name is Scott King. I run a DJ company in Orlando, Florida, and, well, this project, the Wedding Playbook app, has been something I've been working on for the last 6 years, and it's kind of exciting to see where it's at today. Basically, when I was studying my marketing about 6 years ago, I came across this idea of a lead magnet. So basically, a lead magnet is something that you give to somebody with value so that they would, in return give you an email address or even their business, right? So if you sat down with a lead and gave them an app on how to plan their big day and you presented it as your own with your logo on it, then the law of reciprocity starts to set in, right? I scratch your back, you scratch my back. And if you had to sit down with multiple vendors of the same, so if you had to sit down with multiple vendors, which one would you choose? The one that set themselves as the professional or another vendor? And, to be a DJ company in Orlando, Florida, there's quite a few. I think I looked it up and there was like thousands of DJs in Orlando, Florida, and yet my company continues to grow because of this type of mindset. So once again, thank you for signing up for the app and thank you for being a part of my journey. Now, when you log in, you're going to have the Wedding Playbook app logos everywhere. So let's just go down the tabs, right? All events, basically all events is say you're going to create a QR code and then you give that QR code to your leads and then they download it and then now you have all their information depending on what type of business you have going on, right? So if you were emailing your QR code or a way for them to get the app through your white label, then let's say they didn't catch up with you, but they had their information here. So you'd still have their email address and everything when they log in. So with that in mind, you can plan your own events, and test it out for yourself before you start, handing it off to your leads and clients and stuff. And then, of course, we got a feedback tab, users tab. There's all the people that you use under your label, and account management, right? So you could go in and change your logo. It's pretty simple stuff. You just hit the logo, and then it shows up. And I'm going to use AI Business Inspection. If you guys need any internet marketing, make sure to go to aibusinessinspection.com. But there you go. Change the logo. Make sure to hit the save button. And then now we have all these different logos and stuff instead of like the original King Entertainment Events logo, which is my business, right? So you can have your own, and then you can change your own theme. We got project managers over here. It's basically your staff that you can add on here, and they can, get access to your code and help out any lead or customer that's using your app if need be. Basically, this is just for your team to be able to have access to it. Then, of course, your users are the ones that are under you, and then QR code. This is what you want to download and put in your emails or marketing. And then, of course, it's yours because you put the logo there and it matches your QR code. Of course, as a wedding vendor, we're giving out 5 events for you to test it out, see how you like it. And there you have it. Oh, yeah, one more thing. You can always go over here and change your login information if you need to, or if you wanted to change your profile, you put your information in there, load up your own image, and away you go, customized. Of course, the way the app is set up to work is that it's app-based, right? So the wedding professionals have access to a desktop where everybody else, the regular users, will just be able to do it on their mobile device. So basically it's designed just to be an app, and the wedding vendors are the ones who have access to a dashboard. And then, well, if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us. You guys have been amazing. Thanks for being a part of the journey, and we will see you on the other side. Thanks.